crispy when it's the layers
Yeah.
like that.
Mic check. All right, so let me move this microphone. Hello, everybody. I don't know if I'm back because
Well, Papa did mic check, mic check. You want to do mic check?
my original live stream went with the sous vide prime rib. I think I've lost that link, so this is now a second link. But anyway, here we go. We are back,
Did you enjoy it, Raymond?
and we are going to put this prime rib in the oven now. This is traditional prime rib. This is a prime rib, buddy boy. It's got garlic and some other seasoning. We'll put it in the oven. Yeah, it's going to be good to eat. Are you going to eat this?
Hamburger.
You gonna eat this?
Yes.
Yes. And then over here, let me aim the camera down. We've got my sister's 3D printer doing its calibration run. She just spent the better part of an hour calibrating it, and we're going to talk a little bit about that. But this is, what is this? This is a model price?
This is a Maker Select.
Maker Select.
3D printer.
3D printer. Now,
Second version 2.
version 2. We have no ties to anything. This is just happens to be, this was gifted to her by my brother, her brother, our brother, my little brother, her older brother, by the brother that's between the two of us. This is a 3D printer. It's very hot, but it's making a circle and a square. And it made, you can't touch it, that's right, yeah. So anyway, first thing I want to sort of talk about here is, if you watched the first video, I prepared a 5-pound prime rib. I cut it into 2 parts. The 2-pound part is here. The 3-pound part is in the sous vide right now. That's going to be a medium rare.
You can't touch it.
Yeah, that's also hot. This is going to be more of a medium well. Let me find it. There's a shot. There's a shot. And I'm doing this in the oven the way I normally do. I'm going to blast it 450 degrees. It's already been seasoned. I've been bringing it up to room temp. So I'm going to blast it 450 degrees. And then for 20 minutes, they're going to take it down to 3 1/4, 350, until it temps out at about 140 degrees or so for a good medium, maybe 145. There are some members of our family that don't like their meat too bloody. So anyway, while this is going, then we're going to turn our attention to the 3D printer. So let me do that. And I've got the oven already preheated. So this is going to be hot, Silas. Be careful for a second, okay?
Yep, those are big potatoes.
So we're going to put this in. I'm going to put it bone side down. There it is. And let me just show you. There it is. There's a prime rib in the rack. It's kind of funny. It's such a small. It's only 2 pounds or so. It's such a big rack.
Well, it's not a turducken.
It's not a turducken. Yeah, that was our last. My first video was a turducken. So this is going to go in the oven now. Let me just wash my hands. And just as a recap, this is crusted in minced garlic, and then I just used some basic seasoning on it. You can do whatever you like for the prime rib. If you ask me, rosemary and thyme. Salt, pepper. Alright, so this is 20 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, Google, set a 20-minute timer, please. Alright, so here we are.
What's your favorite character?
Now let's aim the 3D printer at the calibrating.
What's your
Yeah. Are you rolling?
Also, I worry about this part
Oh, okay.
because if the temperature is fluctuating.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So let's do this. Let's take this. Can we see a good shot of that? There it is. So
So right now we are printing a square, a calibration cube.
something. I'm not getting. There we go. Okay, that was weird. Don't really know what happened there. My Mevo, which is what's doing this live stream, just did something weird where it froze. Okay, so let's take it back. So basically, let's give a little bit of context. This 3D printer was at her house, and she brought it over, and she spent about an hour calibrating it. And calibrating it meant what, Pamela Rose? Is it level? Is it level to the what it's on, and then are each part of it
level to
right,
each other.
To each other. So the print head is at level, is the printing bed level. And she spent a lot of time using these high-tech levelers.